What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on KAS. So if you are interested about the exact trading setup that I'm currently watching on this coin, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 4-hour chart. If you saw my last analysis that I did on this coin, you know that I informed you about this bullish order block, which is between levels 0.1439 and 0.1376. And you can see that with this last dump, we didn't test this area. So the potential long position from this area is, in my opinion, still valid. So if there will be another retest and then a support confirmation, you can open here a long trade. Actually, we have here like two ways in which we can open a long position in this area. The first one will be after that support confirmation in this order block, and in that case you are placing the stop loss just under this previous strong low. Your potential last take profit targets can be under this current week high, or if you want you can place it on the higher levels, but with this trade it will give you risk reward ratio like 10.4, which is in my opinion really good. So yeah, this is the first potential setup that you can take here, and the other possible scenario will be valid in case of a breakdown, fake out, and then a support confirmation again in this area. And the only difference is that you are placing the stop loss under the low that we will create during the fake out, which will give you slightly worse risk reward ratio, but the potential probability of the successful trade is, in my opinion, much higher. So me personally, I will be preferring to trade this move with that fake out and safer stop loss. If we take a look on the higher time frame, you can see that in the long time perspective we are in the heavy bullish uptrend. So opening a long positions is, in my opinion, making much more sense than trying to short this coin. But if there will be, for example, a big dump on the whole crypto market, which means that Bitcoin will drop under that 50k, you can watch these bullish order blocks, which are between levels 0.11096 and 0.09735. In my opinion, there is actually not that high probability that we are gonna test this area, because there will need to be a drop around like 35 to like 42%, and that's, in my opinion, kinda a lot for this coin. But if we are gonna test this area, you can use it as other potential opportunity to get into a long trade. But for now, the main setup that I'm currently watching is this bullish order block on the 4-hour chart, and to this order block to be reached, there needs to be a drop around like 15%, which I think is definitely possible if there will be some dump on the whole crypto market. Maybe you are asking if there is some opportunity to open some trading position right now. And in my opinion, the main problem with the current situation is that we don't have here a proper area where we can place our stop loss. Because, for example, if you want to open a long position right now, the, let's say, closest level that you can place your stop loss is under this previous low, which will give you potential stop loss around like 14.4%, which is, in my opinion, kinda a lot. And if you want to have at least like free risk to reward, then you need to place the stop loss, let's say, somewhere around these levels. And yeah, in my opinion, like taking a trade like this is not that good. But if we wanna take a look on some bullish scenarios, then I'm watching here, let's say, potential breakout and then support confirmation of this current all-time high. This trade will be definitely more risky than the previous one I showed you, because in this case you need to place the stop loss, let's say, somewhere around these areas, and you are only speculating here for a good risk to reward. So let's say your potential profit can be around like 30%, and your potential stop loss can be around like 6 to 7%, which can give you potential risk to reward like 6.6. So if you will take multiple take profit targets, which I highly recommend you in a trade that you are, let's say, having in the price discovery phase, because historically in this area we don't have any important support or resistances, then yeah, your stop loss should be small like this. And of course, this is rapidly increasing potential, let's say potential probability of getting liquidated. But yeah, if you want to trade this move, then I think this is the best potential setup that you can have here, because we really don't have here any interesting areas where you can place our stop loss. Because if we, for example, take a look on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we have here this bearish order block. So if you want to trade here some scalp trade, you can wait here for a breakout support confirmation, and then your long trade can look, for example, like this. So the potential stop loss can be around like 1.7%, which is giving you really high probability of getting liquidated. But if you will place the last take profit target really high, you can aim here for risk reward ratio around 20, and I think that a trade like this, even there is pretty high probability of getting liquidated, is kind of worth it, because the potential profit is really massive if we compare it to a potential loss. And of course, for a trade like this, do not risk more than 1% of your trading capital. For a trade like this, I would risk something around like 0.5%, because even if you will risk like such a low amount and you will reach the last take profit target, the profit will be still really big. And if you want to know about all the altcoins that I'm currently watching, or if you want to know about the Bitcoin analysis that I'm doing, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, because I am sharing there those analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.